Ever wished you could code, test security, or explore data analytics all without breaking the bank? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I am about to show you 5 free tools that every beginner IT student should try in 2026 to kickstart their journey. No more worrying about expensive software or complicated setups. These tools are designed to empower you to learn, experiment, and build real-world skills. Whether you are just starting out or leveling up, these tools are exactly what you will need to dive in and build your IT career without any cost barriers holding you back. So why now? Because these free tier tools are more accessible than ever, making it easier for beginners to gain hands-on experience, explore coding, data science, cloud computing, and security, all for free. Stick around because I will also share some extra free resources from Vinsys, including real dataset, lab, and hands-on project that will help you build a portfolio and gain job-ready skills. Before jumping into those 5 free tools, let's see some amazing data related to IT. 14.72% from 2025 to 2032, reaching nearly USD $2,051.45 billion by 2032, driven by rising demand for skilled professionals. India's IT and BPM industry is projected to reach $350 billion by 2026. 15 to 20% increase in IT job opportunities in India by 2025. IT salaries are expected to grow 8 to 12% in 2025. Global investment in AI is projected to hit $20 billion by 2025. Now, let's jump right into these tools might just be your secret weapon for 2026 and beyond. First up, we have got Visual Studio Code, hands down one of the best code editors for beginners in 2026. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, or any programming language, VS Code is perfect for writing, testing, and debugging code. With features like IntelliSense for auto-completion and seamless Git integration, it helps you focus on writing clean code without worrying about setup. Plus, it's lightweight, super fast, and completely free. First steps: download VS Code, install extensions, and start coding your first project. And if you want additional support and labs to get hands-on practice, Vinsys provides free access to labs that help beginners code confidently from day one. Next, we can't talk about coding without mentioning GitHub. It's the world's leading platform for version control and collaboration. Whether you're working alone or in a team, GitHub allows you to track your code's progress, revert changes, and work seamlessly with others. This tool is a must-learn for every IT student as it's used in real-world software development across industries. Plus, you will be able to showcase your projects and build portfolio for future job opportunities. First steps: create your GitHub account, start a repository for your projects, and begin pushing your code. It's that easy. Vinsys offers detailed guides and real-time simulation labs to help you practice GitHub like any industry pro. If you are diving into data science or machine learning, Google Colab or Jupyter notebooks are fantastic tools to get started. These platforms let you run Python code in the cloud without any installations. You get access to powerful resources, including free GPU support on Colab, which is crucial for training machine learning models. For beginners, it's a perfect environment to learn data analysis, visualization, and machine learning algorithms without worrying about hardware limitations. Plus, it integrates smoothly with Google Drive for easy access and storage. First steps: open Google Colab, write a basic Python script, and start experimenting with machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or Pandas. For a more guided approach, Vinsys provides hands-on lab access to practice with real data sets and coding challenges. If you are curious about APIs, and who isn't when building web apps, Postman's free tier is a must-try. It's an intuitive tool for building, testing, and interacting with APIs. You can send requests, view responses, and even automate tests. APIs are the backbone of modern applications, and understanding how to test and use them is a crucial skill. With Postman's easy interface, you can learn the basics of API calls and integrate them into your project. First steps: download Postman. Start exploring public APIs and try sending requests to see how data flows between servers and applications. Vinsys provides simulation labs where you can test your APIs in real-world environments with no extra cost. And last but definitely not least, we have the Microsoft Azure and AWS free tiers. These platforms offer cloud services that let you experiment with virtual machines, databases, and storage all at no cost. As a beginner, these tools are your gateway to learning about cloud computing and its powerful capabilities. Whether you're hosting a website, experimenting with cloud functions, or setting up databases, these free tiers provide hands-on practice without needing a credit card. First steps: sign up for Microsoft Azure or AWS, explore their documentation, and try developing your first virtual machine or web app. To ensure you're maximizing your learning, Vinsys offers structured guided labs for cloud services to help you master these platforms with expert support. So there you have it. 5 essential free tools every IT student should try in 2026. Whether you're coding, testing, or experimenting with cloud services, these tools will give you the edge you need in the IT world. And remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So grab these tools, start building projects, and continue experimenting. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more free resources to take your skills to the next level, including free Vinsys labs and datasets to sharpen your expertise. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep coding, keep learning, and most importantly, stay curious.